Class is on electricity and the topic is meter bridge, which is a very simple topic. And here I have drawn a meter bridge, and which is nothing but the application of Wheatstone bridge principle, where there were four arms and four arms ratios are same in my first class. In my previous class I have already mentioned. So in meter bridge, in a very simple way, let me explain what is meter bridge. In meter bridge, this is arranged in this way, where two resistance R and resistance S, and this is a rheostat. Galvanometer is attached with it, and it is freely movable in through this AC arm, and which can be removed backward and forward, so that to adjust the signal, that is G, where the G will be in null point, there will be no current. So at certain point on AC, say at point B, G has no current, means the four arms are in equal ratios. Now these four arms, actually arm AD, and one is DC and other is AB and other is BC. The length of AC is 100 centimeter, and when we move forward, backward and forward, so at certain point we'll get null point where there is no current to galvanometer. That point, say at B, if it is in B, then if the length of this is say L, so this BC will be 100 minus L. Am I right? Now the four arms may be arranged in this way. Say A and D is one arm, D and C is another arm, A and B is another arm, B and C is another arm. So this may be represented in a simple way, a part of Wheatstone bridge, like this. So here resistance R is known, S is unknown, and AB is the length where it is adjusted so that readings of current through G is 0. So say let that is L, and BC is 100 minus this. So this is known and this is also known. So out of this we can find out BC, and this is unknown, we don't know. So according to the Wheatstone bridge principle, we'll say P. If this part is P, that is P by Q. P by Q is equal to R by S. That is P by Q is equal to R by S. So P is means AB. That is AB by BC. AB by BC. AB by BC is equal to R by S. Now AB by BC is equal to R by S. Now what is AB? AB is equal to L. L divided by L minus this is equal to R by S. If this is unknown, so we can find S equal to this into R. This is very simple. Unknown resistance S can very easily calculated with the help of meter bridge. Now let us take an example. Now let us solve out the question which was asked in AI EEE exam. Here the resistances of this resistance and this is given 55 ohm, and this is not given, and the rheostat is fixed at certain point here, and that length is found to be 20 centimeter. You are asked to find out what is R. So your answer is this is unknown. That unknown resistance, a bit earlier I have told you, this is equal to 100 minus L divided by L into this resistance 55 ohm. So this is 100 minus L is equal to 20 divided by 20 equal to 55. This is equal to 80, 20, 55. So very simple, nothing complicated things. So you write this divided by this equal to this divided by this, unknown resistance is equal to this divided by this. I have already a bit earlier I have written. So within a minutes you can calculate it yourselves, or this question is asked in AI triple E. So now this question is a bit twisted, but till it is very simple. So you are given in a meter bridge experiment, resistance are connected as shown. Resistance are connected P, Q, and the null point exists at L1 length 55. When the resistor had moved in such a point through SC at length 55, it acquires null point, means no current passes through it. And after this, what's happened? A new unknown resistance X is connected with this one. With this one, a new resistance is connected. And this connected resistance is parallel with this resistance, with 3. Am I right? And what is that unknown resistance? It is not known. Before coming to the second part, first part is what we know is equal to L1 by this divided by this one. L1 divided by 100 minus L1 is equal to P by Q. Now, if you put the value L1 55, so this is 100 minus 55 means 45, and this is P. P means 3 and Q is not known to us. So on solving this one, 27 by 11 ohm. So first part of the question is over, that the balancing length L1 is 55. At that point, P is known and Q is unknown. So applying the principle, this divided by this equal to this divided by, or P divided by Q is equal to this divided by this, we have calculated the unknown resistance Q is equal to 27 by 11. Now in the next part, what you are asked is that along with P, a new resistance of X value is added in series. That is, P by Q is equal to L1 by 100 minus L1. So at new condition, that P is attached with new resistance X and the Q is known, and at that new point when resistance X is connected in series with the P, the rheostat is adjusted at point what, 75 centimeter. So if it is 75, that is 25. So now what's happened, your P is 3 and X is unknown, and Q already we have calculated 27 by 11, and this is equal to 3. On solving this one, you will get X is equal to, so this question has two parts. First part is at certain length L1 55 centimeter, we need to find out the unknown resistance Q with meter bridge principle, and then with this is known and this is known, and another resistance is connected in parallel with the resistance P, sorry, series in resistance with this, and we don't know the resistance, the value is X. Again, after adding this one, the whole system is found to be in balance condition. That is, it is adjusted, when it is adjusted at 75 centimeter. So at new condition, p plus x by q is equal to 75 by 25. So on calculating, we get the value of x is equal to 45 by 11 nu. This is all about of today's class. This is very simple calculation of meter bridge. Hopes it will come in need in solving out the principal problems on meter bridge. Thanks a lot for watching the class. Hope uh, you will find it most interesting. In the next class, I will come up with new topic of physics in higher secondary second year.